what's going on? Magic24. As you guys can see, we are playing some mineplex, but today we'll be playing some Castle Sage. So let's get into the video. And yeah, I should probably turn down the game audio so you guys don't have to hear that so loud blaring in your guys' probably headphones. But I hope you guys' day's going good. My day's going pretty good. And yeah. I guess I'm saving up for the undead zombie. I almost have it. Guys, I'm glitching. Alright guys, sorry about that. What I was saying was, that didn't work. But yeah guys, what I was saying, was, so I just cut myself out. But what I was saying was, I don't know about streaming because I always tell my family to shut up when they get home from work and stuff like that. They just want to chill back, watch some TV and stuff like that. So I don't know. Yeah, I saw rig lagging right now. It's up in mineplex. Making the leg. I want to thank you guys for so many subscribers that lately. It means, guys, it means a lot to me. Like I'm like most YouTubers is like, oh guys, thank you for like 5,000 subscribers. But it's like I'm at 80 and I'm like so happy, guys. Like it means a lot to me. Like I feel like getting them. Like I feel like I'm just ready to like cry and stuff like that. Well, you guys get what I mean by cry, but it's really emotional because I love YouTubing and I like how I'm succeeding right now. But I'm only succeeding because of you guys. So that's why I don't put ads in my videos and get paid for it. Because that is not. I used to do it before, I know. But I did it on a stream one time because I forgot to turn it off, or twice. But I do it, and I did do it, and I don't like it, guys. I don't like. You guys mean a lot to me. I might put it on eventually if this turns into my job, which it probably won't. But you guys just mean so much to me. You guys mean the world to me. And I'm hoping to get to the top of you guys get what I mean. I'm hoping to get like a lot more subscribers. But you guys mean so much, just so much to me. I know I'm ranting about this, guys. I don't want this to turn into like some emotional fest or whatever you guys know. But you guys don't know how much this like means to me. Like having this much subscribers and stuff. Like most kids in our grade, like were like, no, you're never gonna succeed. What are you doing? Or I even have haters out there. I even have people at my house. My own neighbors gave me a talk about my job. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna be a millionaire off of this. I know that. I'm not planning to be a millionaire off of this. All right. Like if this shouldn't be my job, I'm not expected to be a millionaire. But it's like, this could end up being my job. So. I don't know why people just hate on people. Like, seriously, like, if you have a time to leave a hate comment right now, then you have time to watch this video. So yeah. Yeah, you guys mean the world to me. Like, you guys don't know how much you guys mean to me. Like, it's really hard to explain. If you guys were a YouTuber and you guys had, well, even if you guys are a YouTuber, you guys would know how much kids even dream about only having 80 subscribers. Like 80. Because there's so many kids out there that have only 10. Because they're sitting there like recording themselves on the bike. And some of them actually succeed from that. But some kids can only dream to get 80 subscribers. Guys, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. You guys don't know how thankful I am. Like it's really hard to explain, guys. What my point is, I know I keep ranting about this, is that you guys mean the world to me. That's all I'm getting to, because you guys do. Guys are being shot at like crazy. Why can't they see me? Why didn't they see me? Oh, that was kind of laggy. Undead won the game. Yeah, guys, we won the game. But you guys mean the world. The whole entire world to me. and go max, I give you 2 reasons. Because first of all, the games would be less lag. They would have less lag, and so yeah, that's the first reason. The games would be less lag. The second reason is yeah, okay, so alright, so the games would be less laggy, alright, and the games will start quicker, so we don't have to wait like 5,000 years to start a game. So guys, okay, we're gonna go over here to start attacking. That's creepy, alright guys. So yeah, so I know I gotta keep ranting about stuff. It's because you guys mean the world to me. Like, it's no one can explain how much you guys mean to me. For even clicking on this video, even if you guys are haters, for even clicking on this video, it means a lot to me. This is loud. Oh crap, guys. Crap, this means war. Alright guys, so yeah, why can't I kill people? It's not letting me kill anybody anyways. I wonder why they added the shield in this game. Arrow spam, arrow spam, arrow spam, arrow spam. Oh crap, crap. Oh no, guys, he killed me. Oh goodness, oh god, that sucks, that sucks. Oh. This is a dog. Whoop, I keep hitting that. I wasted my bite on that. I just need a, oh, but I can just walk right through this. Wait, can I? Oh, I thought I could. We're as tall as a person, but as small as a dog. Let's go sacrifice ourselves to save our army, guys. Alright, sorry if I was quiet there, guys. I'm just very concentrated right now. Fall damage, I hate it. Can't touch it, can't touch it. If I guys... Okay, guys, so we just got killed. Hope you guys' day is going good. I know I say that, but I just hope you guys are really having a good day, because I hate when I'm having a bad day and no one asks me like what's going on, or like I have no one to talk to. So if you guys have anything to talk to, you guys can get my Snapchat, mad.jax24. That's my YouTube Snapchat. I'll have it probably up on the screen. So guys, alright. You know what I hate about YouTubers is when they say, oh wait, I'll have it up on the screen right now, but they actually don't put it on the screen. It's kind of, I think that annoys me. Like, the link will be on the screen right now, guys. Click his face, but you click his face, and there's nothing there. This video been going on for 16 minutes, so guys, I really think this is gonna be my last battle after this, because oh my goodness. Oh no, kill him. Fight him, guys. I don't care if I'm punching him. Fight him. Fight him. Fight him. No. Alright, guys. Alright, come on. Come at me. Oh my gosh, I hate this game so much. Even though I'm willing to spend all my gems on this. That was a waste. I wonder what that wolf right there is doing. But Yeah, so we're just gonna try to take out these guys. Alright, we gotta defend, guys. We gotta defend. Oh, I keep dying, but guys, at least I'm distracting them so they don't go for our live plays because we don't want our defenders to die. Oh, shoot. He's going in there. Oh, goodness. Dog bite. How's King Sparkles doing? Alright, guys. So here's what we have to do. Oh, my God. They can just one-shot me. Oh, guys, look how well defended he is. I'm gonna get in there. Whoop, sucker. For us two, with you in the middle. Alright, guys, we're here to defend now. Alright, so let's get stay a little bit so we can distract, or our team regens. Guess we got this. Don't worry, guys. Defend it with all our heart. Just keep on building this. Oh, he got him down really good. Oh, crap. Alright, guys. So here's what we're going to do now. That's what you get, zombies. That's what you get. Oh, crap. Let me in. Oh, guys, there's pushing. Keep pushing back, guys. Pushing back. I don't really want to die, but I will, like, stay back here. I just don't want to die, though. Alright, come on. We got this, guys. We got this. The wolf should step up more, guys. We need the wolves to step up. 3 minutes, guys. Wait, I think they got this, but we still got this, guys. We are not giving up. 20-minute recording. This is going to take for freaking ever for me to edit and convert it. Because I use Windows Movie Maker. Oh, guys, it's almost sunrise. We need 2 more minutes, guys. We got 2 more minutes with you. And if you guys use a recording software, guys, leave it down in the description. I want to know what recording software you use, guys, and give it a rating. Like, okay, 10 being the best and 0 being the worst. And if you guys still have OBS and you guys have different opinions, change it. Because I use OBS, and I probably give it a good solid 8, 7. Because, it works basically as good as that, I think. A good 8, good 7, and it's free. Yeah, and guys, even if it's paid solutions, guys, do paid because who really cares? See, I'm defending this guy because I don't really care if I die because I'm just gonna resolve. King Sparkles has 6 of. Guys, no! He's not dead. Oh shoot! Thought he would be sure, but by dead. Yep. Alright. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. 21-minute recording. So probably about 12-minute video. That's what my guess is. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. I'm MadJack24, and I'm signing out.